There is nothing on a hot summer night for dinner than scrambled eggs with black truffle, if you're lucky enough to have the truffles. And I am, because truffle hunter Loris, a professional in our area, and Sunday join him for truffle hunting. I'm going to offer his truffle hunting as a new tour this year. You want to soon see it on my website on the guided tours. Anyway, he had very good luck with his new truffle pup, Quark, and they found many truffles and nice big truffles. He gave me these smaller truffles as a gift. Loris, mille grazie. Now, these will last up to 15 days, so they're going in the fridge. They're in a hat because I had my hat on when he gave them to me, so I brought them home in a hat. Now, these truffles are the smallest, and I've scrubbed them with a scraper, put them in water until the water came out clean, rinsed a few times, dried them, and they are going to be shaved into scrambled eggs. This is our son Keegan's olive oil. Isn't that gorgeous olive oil? These are our organic eggs laid by our chickens today, and what I'm going to do is separate the yolks from the whites. And I'll tell you why. It's because I'm going to whip the whites, and they are going to be cooked first, after I've sauteed a garlic clove in olive oil, being very attentive that I don't burn it. How about that? Look at those golden yolks, orange yolks. Sign up a great egg. 1, 2, I think 3 will be enough for the 2 of us. No, I'll do 4. There's the white, here's the yolk. And these, crushed up, are going to our chickens, because then they will lay more eggs, we hope. There's the white, and there's the yolks. Now I'm going to just whisk these with a fork. And I'm going to cook them first in the olive oil in which I've lightly sauteed the garlic clove. So we'll go over to the stove, and I'm going to prepare the garlic in olive oil. And I already have prepared a garlic clove here, bottom of the frying pan with olive oil. There it is. And I'm going to lightly saute this garlic clove until it's golden. And I'm going to take it out when it's golden. This is a golden garlic clove. Time to turn it off. We'll let the oil cool down a bit. And we'll soon be whisking in the egg white, but first we will shave the black truffle. I'm grating the truffles, but I'm also doing thin slices. Oh, the perfume of this black truffle. Found in the woods near our home in the Assisi countryside, thanks to the great nose of the little puppy, Quark. And another dog that joined them, which is also Loris's, Uma. She's older, and she's accepted very well, little Quark, apparently. We finished grating the truffle and even slicing very finely a few bits, and I've left a few that are going to top our eggs. And so now we're going over to the stove, and we're going to put the truffles in the olive oil, which is, had garlic in it. It's now cool. So we'll put these shaved truffles in the olive oil, and they're going to the olive oil will absorb the flavor of the truffles. We've put the shaved and grated truffle in the olive oil, which is not hot now. And this truffle is just absorbing the flavor of the olive oil and garlic. The perfume is incredible. Il profumo, the Italians say. We whisked our whites. And we're going to add them now to the truffle. And as they cook up a bit, we'll let them cook up. And when they get quite soft, we'll add the yolks. The whites are almost ready. So let's add salt now. How much salt? Oh, the measurement most used in Italian cookbooks. QB. Quanto basta? As much as it takes. I think that's going to be just fine. A pinch of salt. Again, look at those yolks. Also, this beautiful bowl here of Deruta ceramics. Cooking in Italy is a feast for the eyes. This is from Sicily, by the way. This is from Sicily, too. Let's check our... Yes, look at the whites getting soft. Time to go with the yolks. In we go. Let's use this to get all the egg out. We don't want to leave any behind. This is so light and fluffy. Having mixed in the whites first and then the yolks. This is a trick you may want to use in other egg dishes, not just eggs with black truffle. And there we are. And Pino is out milking the goats, and he's not here yet for dinner. So I'm going to turn this off and cook it up the last second when he comes in. And I'll be saying to Pino the same thing I'm saying to you. And now our eggs with truffle are ready to eat. And I've even added a few slices of shaved truffle on top. And we finished. Quick and easy. Thanks to Laura's, we're having dinner with eggs and Umbria's black gold, the truffles. Loris and puppy Quark, mille grazie.